In this video, we'll be covering how to create an email blast. Email blasting is a powerful tool for any organization. It allows you to quickly and effectively communicate with your supporters to promote action. Step 1. Start your email blast. To start a new blast, first select the broadcaster you want to use to send the email by going to Communication and selecting your broadcaster. Click on the new email blast link beneath the broadcaster name. Enter a name and possibly a description. Leaving a description is optional. If you are including links to your website in your blast, consider checking the box next to when the recipient clicks on the email, automatically add their email address to any forms. This allows forms on your website to auto-populate with email information from the recipient's profile. This could increase the number of people who complete the form, but note that it could cause confusion if the email is forwarded to another recipient. If you'd like to copy content from a drafted or sent mailing, you can use the Clone dropdown. Click Create and Edit Email Blast. You'll be directed to the Themes section of your blast, unless you've chosen to clone the blast. In this case, you'll be taken directly to enter content. Step 2. Select a theme. Under Theme, you may choose from a selection of publicly available themes. Select a theme by hovering over the thumbnail image and clicking Use Theme. This will save your selected theme and direct you to the content section of your email. You may return to the theme section at any time to select a different theme. Step 3. Enter and preview content. Once you've selected your theme, you'll be taken to the Content tab. If you'd like some more space on either side of the editor, click the center divider and drag away from the side in which you want more space. You can also collapse the side navigation for even more room. The default sender of your blast is the name of your broadcaster. Change the sender by entering a new name in the From field. Enter a subject line for your email in the Subject field. Enter content for the body of your email, aka your message to people, in the large box. You can upload image files by clicking on the Image button in the Add drop-down menu. Select Upload and find or drag over your image. Once uploaded, you can click on the corner to resize. You can also add buttons to Email Blast from the Add drop-down menu. Buttons can be completely customized by you to determine size, color, call to action, link to URL, etc. Once created, you can use the alignment tools to place your button at left, center, or right, and edit fonts using the font buttons in the toolbar. To delete a button, click on it and press Delete. Personalize your blast using smart fields. Using these, you're able to pull in information from a person's profile, including name, party, donation info, address, phone number, and so much more. When you press Save Content, the preview will refresh and update with your changes. Note that you can preview your email in regular desktop format, mobile device format, and text format by clicking on the corresponding button. Send yourself a test email before you send your blast. Enter the email of your choice in the text box. Click Send Test Email. When you're ready to move on, click Save and Continue. Step 4. Add recipients. First, decide whether you are sending this blast to supporters or prospects. Select recipients based on a list, tag, or saved filter. For example, you may add the subscribers of your weekly newsletter by adding all supporters with the tag Weekly Newsletter. Alternatively, you may choose All and select all supporters in your nation or all prospects. Remember that it is good practice to segment your email list in order to increase your email deliverability. Click Save Recipients or Save and Review, which will direct you to the Review and Send section of your email blast. Step 5. Review and send your email. Before you send or schedule your email, you can review the details of your email blast from the Review and Send tab. This includes how it looks, the recipient list, and the content. If you need to make any changes, you can return to the relevant tab and make edits. Click Send Email Now to Number of People to send your email blast immediately. This button will always display the number of recipients. If you do not see the option to send your email, check to see if you're still in your trial period. Email blasting is only available once your nation is out of trial. If you want to schedule your email for a later time, click Schedule. A pop-up box will appear. Select a date and time. The delivery must be scheduled at least 1 hour in the future. Click Schedule to confirm. Click on the blue link to adjust the scheduled time. Enter a new date or time and click Schedule to save your changes. Click Unschedule to cancel your blast. You'll be asked via pop-up to confirm that you'd like to unschedule the email. Click Yes. View all scheduled emails by going to Broadcaster, Email, Scheduled. Once you have sent your email, view results by going to the recipients or dashboard areas of your blast.